Welcome YouTube. Today we're gonna be doing a challenge. You already know, like work. We're gonna be shotgunning these, and then we're gonna be punishing in Rocket League. Let's get this shit started, bro. Fuck. See this? Chug number one. Oh. Here we go. Second one. Oh. I always get this, bro. Oh. Oh God, what a fucking bro! Take this shot, bro. Hey, oh God, there's no boost. Hey. 2-0. 2 minutes on the clock. What is that challenge, bro? Hit it. Oh God, there's no way that's in. Alright, niggas, been like fucking 20 minutes ish, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna queue up. We're gonna queue up into some matches and see what we got, bro. Like, don't even count that shit in, bro. Shows actually booty. Wow. Genuinely, what am I doing, bro? I want this boost. Whoa. Oh wait, what the fuck? Oh, let's go. Wait, what the fuck? Alright, bro, fuck this shit, bro. GG's, bro. We out.